Hello, you're on to Bake It and Ice It, and I'm Violet, bringing to you how to make fluffy strawberry buttercream. I love making buttercream, and this will just give you a heads up of how I end up making fluffy buttercream for layering my cakes. So let's get into it. It looks nice. I'll use fresh strawberries. I mash them down, but I'll show you how I did that later. For the recipe for this buttercream is 114 grams. You can see it on the screen. Actually, you can grab this from any supermarket and just get mixing. So I've put in my butter, 114 grams of butter, or a stick of butter, and I'm going to add my icing sugar in 2 halves. So I'm just going to cream my butter. It's room temperature butter. Just put it in the mixer and mix. I'm adding my first half of my icing sugar, and I'm just going to carry on mixing until I'm satisfied with the look, and the pale look is nice and fluffy. It's nice, soft and fluffy. So get that mixed and scrape down as you go. Give it a good scrape, and I'm adding 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract just to give it that lovely flavor that we know vanilla to give. And after that, I'm just gonna carry on with the mixing and add my strawberries, which I have mashed down in a different video. I'll put a link in the description for you to use. I did not mash down my strawberries with icing sugar because I'm gonna put it in an icing sugar recipe, so it just be an overkill of sweetness. 2 tablespoons of heavy cream, and I'm just gonna give it a good mix. I'm very particular about this stage because I don't want to rely on the machine to crush or make my mashed down strawberries all smooth and everything, because I deliberately did not blend the strawberries because I want to see some streaks of strawberries, some flakes of strawberries in between my cake layers when I use it to fill my cakes and layer my cakes. So just a close-up just to show you what I mean by streaks and flakes of buttercream, strawberry. You can see it on the spatula. I love to see that, and that is the beauty of using fresh strawberries. So it's nice and easy, less than 3 minutes. Oh, exactly 3 minutes. So that's it, fluffy strawberry buttercream. I hope you enjoyed the video today, and if you did enjoy it, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Like and leave your comments below. Have you made fluffy buttercream before? How did it turn out? My recipe for this method is below in the description section of this video. Use it. Let me know what you think, and let me know how it turned out for you. What do you use fluffy buttercream to do? You can use it to decorate cupcakes. You can use it as to fill your cake layers, and some people even go as far as using it to cover the whole cake. So it all depends on the consistency of how you've made it, but this particular recipe I used it to fill my cake. So I will show you the video, make a video of how I use this lovely buttercream in my cake, and then you can have a good understanding of how I used it. Till next time, it's Violet from Bake It and Ice It. Keep baking and keep icing. All the best.